Greetings and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the horse spirit animal, renowned for grace, courage, and teamwork. Part 1. Discovering the horse spirit. Galloping across extensive landscapes, the horse presents itself, embodying a magnificent symbol of power, freedom, and nobility. Its presence evokes a profound, spiritual energy that resonates with the deepest yearnings of our souls, calling us to embrace our inner strength and stride fearlessly towards our aspirations. As the horse roams the open plains with unrestrained grace, it becomes a living testament to the essence of personal freedom and independence. Its spirit urges us to break free from the shackles of self-doubt and societal expectations, allowing our passions to lead us on a journey of self-discovery and fulfillment. The horse's spiritual energy reminds us that we possess the strength and courage to pursue our dreams with unwavering determination, unbridled by the limitations imposed by others or ourselves. In the heart of the horse's gallop, there lies a lesson in the beauty of teamwork and cooperation. As these majestic creatures roam in herds, they teach us the significance of cultivating strong relationships and working together harmoniously towards common goals. The horse's medicine imparts the wisdom of unity and mutual support, urging us to stand by each other's side as we navigate the vast terrains of life. In the presence of the horse's noble spirit, we learn to appreciate the value of loyalty and trust. Just as horses form unbreakable bonds with their riders, we are encouraged to forge deep connections with our fellow human beings. The horse's spiritual energy reminds us that in unity we find strength, and in trust we foster profound connections that enrich our lives. The horse, a symbol of grandeur, calls upon us to embrace the nobility within ourselves. Its presence ignites the fire of self-belief and the recognition of our inherent worth. As we ride alongside the horse's spiritual energy, we are encouraged to embrace our unique gifts and talents, knowing that we are deserving of respect and admiration, just as the horse commands reverence in its magnificence. In the horse's thundering hooves, there lies a lesson in resilience and perseverance. As these noble creatures charge forward with unwavering determination, they inspire us to overcome life's obstacles with grace and fortitude. The horse's medicine teaches us that no matter the challenges we encounter, we have the strength to face them head-on and emerge victorious in our pursuit of personal growth. With the horse's spiritual energy as our guiding compass, we find the courage to gallop beyond the confines of our comfort zones. Embracing our passions, we ride towards new horizons, unafraid of the uncertainties that lie ahead. The horse's call to freedom echoes in our hearts, encouraging us to explore uncharted territories and embrace the fullness of life's adventures. Part 2. Qualities of the horse spirit. Horses are remarkable animals known for their diverse and exceptional qualities. Among their most notable attributes is their strength, as they possess powerful muscles and sturdy frames that allow them to carry heavy loads and participate in various tasks, such as agriculture, transportation, and sports. Coupled with their agility and speed, horses have earned a reputation as skilled runners and jumpers, making them popular companions in equestrian events and racing. Their keen intelligence and ability to form strong bonds with humans have made them valuable partners in various activities, from ranch work and therapy to leisure riding and competitive pursuits. Horses also exhibit remarkable social behaviors, forming close relationships within their herds and displaying loyalty and cooperation with one another. With their gentle and sensitive nature, horses have been recognized as therapeutic animals, offering emotional support and healing benefits to individuals. These qualities, along with their grace, beauty, and historical significance, make horses an enduring symbol of strength, companionship, and a deep connection between humans and the natural world. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the horse spirit. The horse holds immense cultural and mythological significance across numerous civilizations throughout history. In ancient cultures, horses were often associated with gods and goddesses, symbolizing power, fertility, and speed. In Greek mythology, the horse was linked to Poseidon, the god of the sea, who was said to have created the first horse from a wave. Horses were also revered in Norse mythology, where they were believed to be the companions of the Valkyries, carrying fallen warriors to Valhalla. In Celtic mythology, the horse was associated with the goddess Epona, who was revered as the protector of horses and symbolized fertility and abundance. Horses have played a central role in many cultural traditions and rituals, such as Native American horse dances and ceremonies, Arabian folklore featuring legendary horses like Al-Burak, and the majestic horses of the Chinese zodiac. Throughout history, horses have been depicted in art, literature, and epic tales, representing themes of bravery, freedom, and heroism. In medieval times, the image of the knight on horseback became an iconic symbol of chivalry and nobility. Horses have also been instrumental in shaping human civilizations, revolutionizing transportation, agriculture, and warfare. Their partnership with humans has forged deep bonds of companionship and trust, leading to the development of horse breeds that excel in various tasks, from racing and sports to therapeutic and leisure activities. The horse's cultural and mythological significance has transcended time, becoming a universal symbol of strength, endurance, beauty, and the enduring connection between humans and nature. Whether as divine creatures in ancient mythologies or essential companions in daily life, horses have left an indelible mark on the tapestry of human history and continue to be cherished and celebrated worldwide. In Native American cultures, hawks were considered sacred animals, revered as messengers of the spirit world. They were believed to carry prayers and messages between humans and the divine, serving as spiritual guides and protectors. Many tribes saw the hawk as a symbol of courage, strength, and clear vision, traits highly valued in both hunting and spiritual practices. The appearance of a hawk during significant events or in dreams was seen as a sign of blessing and guidance from the spirit realm. In medieval European heraldry, hawks were often depicted as symbols of nobility, representing chivalry, leadership, and a keen sense of strategy. The hawk's association with hunting made it a fitting emblem for knights and warriors, symbolizing their prowess in battle and ability to seize opportunities like a hawk seizing its prey. Across cultures and time, the hawk's cultural and mythological significance endures as a powerful symbol of strength, grace, and connection to the divine. Its soaring flight and sharp vision have inspired countless tales of prophecy, wisdom, and spiritual guidance. The enduring reverence for the hawk reflects humanity's deep admiration for the harmonious blend of power and elegance embodied by this remarkable bird. As hawks continue to grace the skies with their presence, they leave an indelible mark on human imagination, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of the natural world. Part 4, A Horse in My Dreams. The meaning of a horse appearing in a dream can be richly layered and deeply influenced by the dreamer's personal experiences and emotions. In many cultures, horses have long been revered symbols of power, strength, and freedom, making their presence in a dream significant and evocative. Dreaming of a horse often reflects the dreamer's inner strength and resilience, representing the capacity to face challenges and overcome obstacles in waking life. It may be a reminder of the dreamer's ability to harness their energy and resources to achieve their goals and aspirations. The horse's association with movement and journey can also be mirrored in the dreamer's life. It might indicate that the dreamer is embarking on a new phase, setting out on a path of personal growth, or making progress towards their desires and ambitions. The dream may encourage the dreamer to trust their instincts and embrace the changes and opportunities that lie ahead, just as a rider relies on the horse to carry them forward. Additionally, the horse's behavior and condition in the dream can offer valuable insights into the dreamer's emotions and experiences. A calm and friendly horse may signify a sense of harmony and balance within the dreamer's life, while an unruly or wild horse could represent untamed emotions or challenges that need to be acknowledged and addressed. In some dreams, the horse may act as a guide or companion, symbolizing the dreamer's connection with their intuition or higher self. It could be an invitation to explore deeper aspects of the dreamer's psyche and embrace their authentic self. Alternatively, A horse in a dream might carry cultural or historical significance based on the dreamer's heritage and background. In certain cultures, horses hold specific spiritual or mythological meanings that could influence the dream's interpretation. Ultimately, the meaning of a horse in a dream is subjective and unique to the dreamer. Reflecting on the emotions, imagery, and personal associations evoked by the dream can provide valuable insights into the messages and guidance the horse spirit conveys to the dreamer. It may inspire the dreamer to harness their inner strength, embark on new journeys, and trust their instincts on their life's path. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Horse. Habitat. Horses are highly adaptable animals that can thrive in a variety of habitats, ranging from open grasslands and savannas to rugged mountains and desert regions. Historically, horses were native to the vast Eurasian steppe, a vast expanse of grassland that stretches from Eastern Europe to Mongolia. In this environment, horses evolved to withstand extreme weather conditions, forage for grasses, and form cohesive social groups known as herds. Domesticated horses, however, have been introduced to nearly every continent and adapted to diverse landscapes, including forests, wetlands, and even arid desert areas. They are well equipped to graze on a wide variety of vegetation, making them highly versatile in their habitat choices. Whether in their natural or domesticated state, horses demonstrate remarkable resilience and an ability to thrive in various environments, reaffirming their status as beloved and cherished companions throughout human history. Behaviors? Grazing. Horses are herbivores, and one of their primary behaviors is grazing on grass and other vegetation. They use their long necks to reach down and feed on a variety of plants, spending a significant portion of their day foraging for food. Social bonding. Horses are highly social animals that form close bonds with other members of their herd. They engage in grooming each other, playing together, and forming strong relationships that provide comfort and security. Flight response. Horses have a strong flight response, which is a natural survival instinct. When they perceive a threat or danger, they may react by quickly fleeing from the perceived threat to keep themselves safe. Communication. Horses communicate through various body language and vocalizations. They use their ears, eyes, and body posture to convey their emotions and intentions to other horses and humans. Whinnies, nickers, and neighs are some of the vocalizations they use to communicate with each other. Curiosity and playfulness. Horses are curious creatures and often display playful behaviors, especially when they are young. They may engage in activities like running, bucking, or rolling in the dirt, which not only serves as a form of play, but also helps them maintain their physical and mental well-being. Ecological importance. Horses hold ecological importance as both wild and domesticated animals, contributing to the balance and health of their ecosystems. In their natural habitat, wild horses, also known as mustangs or feral horses, play a crucial role in shaping and maintaining grassland ecosystems through their grazing behavior. By selectively consuming grasses and other vegetation, they help control plant growth and prevent certain species from dominating, promoting biodiversity. Additionally, their hoof action tills the soil, aiding in seed germination and nutrient cycling. As domesticated animals, horses have been integral to human societies for centuries, aiding in agricultural activities, transportation, and labor. Their presence has shaped landscapes, leading to the development of pastures and meadows that, in turn, provide habitats for various plant and animal species. Part 6. How the horse contributes to scientific research. As a domesticated species with a rich evolutionary history, the horse has driven studies in genetics, illuminating the processes of domestication, breed differentiation, and adaptations to varied terrains. In veterinary and comparative medicine, horses have offered insights into musculoskeletal health, respiratory physiology, and metabolic disorders, many of which have parallels in human health. Furthermore, equine-assisted therapies underscore the psychological and physiological interplay between humans and horses, providing a foundation for studies in human-animal interaction and mental health. Through the multifaceted lens of the horse, researchers traverse the domains of evolution, medicine, and psychology, furthering our understanding of the intricate bond between species and the shared challenges of biology. Part 7: Guided Visualization to Connect with the Horse Spirit. Find a quiet and peaceful place where you can sit comfortably with your eyes closed. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and release any tension. Imagine yourself standing in a vast, open field, surrounded by nature's beauty. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and the gentle breeze brushing against your face. The earth beneath your feet is solid and supportive, connecting you to the ground. As you take in the serene surroundings, a magnificent horse appears in the distance. This horse is radiant, with a coat that shimmers in the sunlight, and its eyes are kind and wise. Walk slowly towards the horse, feeling a sense of anticipation and reverence. As you approach, notice the connection and energy between you and the horse. Sense the wisdom and strength emanating from this majestic creature. Extend your hand toward the horse and feel the gentle touch of its soft muzzle as it nuzzles your palm. Allow yourself to connect with the horse's spirit, feeling a profound bond forming between you. Climb gracefully onto the horse's back, feeling a sense of trust and unity as you become one with this powerful being. With the horse as your guide, begin to journey through the landscape. Feel the rhythmic movement of the horse beneath you as you ride together. The horse's strides are confident and steady, instilling a sense of peace and calm within you. As you ride, let go of any worries or doubts, surrendering to the guidance and wisdom of the horse spirit. Feel a profound connection to the natural world, as if you are attuned to the rhythm of the earth itself. Allow yourself to fully immerse in this experience, absorbing the grace and strength of the horse spirit. Take in the sights, sounds, and sensations of the journey. As your ride comes to an end, express your gratitude and appreciation to the horse spirit for the guidance and connection. Slowly dismount from the horse, knowing that the bond you share transcends the physical realm. Take a few moments to reflect on the insights and emotions you experienced during this guided visualization. Know that you can reconnect with the horse spirit whenever you need guidance, strength, and a reminder of the profound interconnectedness of all living beings. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, carrying the essence of the horse spirit with you into your waking life. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.